Ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Jumurire nande niko Amayia Chinsa Ikomi chabona marago bekarango kware ne SMS yetu ya mangana mayeri ngo mainara yito gusangir kuria kede anene keramatemu kirazi 12 nyaraka kubwatugwa litiko rero na mange na kwarganiri no gusaba kwana na ikaranzo ikirinde ngwerere ngo sansamaranire ayu na mange karoto tukatwa yaretira SMS yetu ya mangana ya Chinsa Ikomi yora sensemeli yo murwe mayeri nigakoro kwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makoli. Aborokiwa bari baikaransta matema manne ya kirazi 12 yo mwaka bujirwe merongebere noyomo niho rero banyora makibu abo mayaga yo mugwasiri bw'isemi professor Chimagwa koja bwatuka lituko rero kwana ase amaga cha mutiani au sirituko rero nigo magwa nyaraka batabuna aborokiwa bange nigo bakorete buya korengana na matuko amagiga nigo lituko rero nyaraka koja bwatuka na batabuna niga serikali bwegenda takubika imiruro ya bene kwena kimunango kirgo sira chisemi ase amatuko alebosyo.
The 826,000 who sat for the exam, 421,000 were male, 4 or 5,000 were female. So point here is that gender parity is there. 50.9, 49.1. So we have had gender parity. 18 counties had more female candidates than males. And the only thing that I was telling His Excellency the President this morning is that all counties in Central region have more females in class. So I don't know whether they are more fertile there. But the others are Taita Taveta, Machakos, Kitui, Meru, Elgeyo Marakwet, Kakamega, Vihiga, Tharaka Nithi, Uasin Gishu, Laikipia and Kisumu. Performance, we had 11 subjects recording significant improvement this year compared to 19 subjects last year. There was no significant change in 7 of them. There were 1,138, which is 0.14 candidates who scored overall grade of A plane, compared to last year's 0.12%. Don't be too happy because the numbers also increased. So the number of candidates with the minimum university, the so-called minimum university entrance, I'm saying so because you don't have to go to university. Some may have passed well and they will go somewhere else. With C+ and above, rose to 145,000, which is 17.47% as compared to last year, which was 143,000 but stood for 19%. It is the wish of government and His Excellency the President that all these 145,000 should join universities, and those who want to join TVET for advanced courses.
Boigo keroma gwanyaraga kubwatuka matemu ayu nigo anyaraga otiabuna boroki wa bangi ni gwanyara ba kora matemu anene bali banyarite bagokora bobe asa matemwa ba kirasi sano isoto ase miaka ene bono yetire kunde nigo bona arali na goteabuna abana abo nigo banyarite bagokora buya oyomo buna ko okoti zindiri tembo yo nyoreta magisi chimi emia yamo na 15 niga abo mwana okorete buya kubwetkana na matemwa ya sokurit kurarero ekero anyora arama ya B igo nigo magwanyara ka goteabuna abana bakorete buya nande goteabuna ekero mwana akorere bobe asa matemwa kirasi 8 igo tari omweru bogima kurende karara enda secondary na bakunyara ka gokora buya buna aba banyarite bagokora matemwa yu boronki bunoro cha skini yao abungati yabali bakoreta matemwa abo miaka ene yetire anena asa matemwa kirasi 8 osa kirasi 5 kurende nigo bakora buya asa matemwa ya asoka litko lyarero tigatonyore na kimwasiri anyara ka okwana asa bana bali bakoreta buya kwa bali bakorete matemwa KCB miaka ene yetire na gweta siritko lyarero.
Improved candidates with KCP scores as baseline. Of course, we have picked one from every region. One from the coast, you have Mbilo Boniface Wambua, who had 241 marks in KCSE, has gotten a B stand from a sub-county school in Yukini Mixed Secondary School. The next one is Minor Humphrey Mwangi from Gadirwini Secondary School, and he originally had 211. He has gotten a B stand. The third one is Kituku Simon Mavi, 221, B stand from ABC Bambusu Secondary School. The next one is Njoroge Kelvin Mwangi, Jehovah Jire Secondary School. From 207 to a B stand. Next one is Chepto Sharon from Lelu Secondary School, from 267 to A minus. The next one is Shawiza Isaac from Makuchi Secondary School, and from 242 to a B stand. Second last, Okoth Cindy Adhiambo, Sigoti Complex Girls Secondary School. Extra county one, that's an extra county school, so I will not read that one. You can ignore. Or I just read? Yes. Thank you. Okoth Cindy Adhiambo, Sigoti Complex, went there with 165 points. She has scored a B minus.
Boigo enje skuru ya nyakeorere secondary school koruase ebunge ya osekuruase county Nyamira asensemeria Bonyamatuta nero yanyarage koba eskuru yanyarake okora buya koru asensemo ya Nyanza no mugwasiri anyaraka kuralia bune skuru eyo ningobono yanyarake okora buya muri kitu cyo mange na ikasenseme ibina enda to twara ni roboti oru kodete turanyora ngakyo mwarimu monene bwe skuru eyo anyaraka okwana ekerebiria to no muchingo bigenda te kwenekiwa ase skuru eyo.
Ngokwana no principal bwe school Nyakeore secondary school Pruskerage amatokea ya toje buya and even beyond what we expected, because ya to abata bana 151 and all of them have managed to go to acquire the minimum entry grade to university, that is a C+.
Eskuru eyo nigekoro kumwanjumure nigekoro kunyakeole yerase county ya Nyamira muri kitu cyo punandete gutubwateria ngane eyo ngakiye bitengo ne biria to benda kwena kiwase eskuru eyo igonto konyoro roboti oru asenjera yo wikano gekoroga NCM ya bono marogo bekero tuguska bosio ekero bone serikali ni bono ya bekire meruberi ya bene na kubeke committee nzemo yenderete kuruberi meruberi yo kumwenia nyagusira yo kabiro murayo gatata senzito ya Kenya Emilio Mwai Kibaki kaukwa nalitukulelero nigo Wasiri bubolendi wembe Dr. Fred Matiang'i anyareka wateabune serikali nigo yabikire miroberi yo kwena kibuna ofweni gwa kwanya gosira nigo chikokorekana asenjera ya maskani una alengo murayo gatatu wense ya Kenya.
President's body will lie in state at the National Assembly for 3 days between Monday and Wednesday this week for members of the public and the rest of the country's leadership to pay their respects. We will issue a very comprehensive statement and plan tomorrow with details of other activities that will happen between tomorrow and Saturday 30th. But I would like, on behalf of my colleagues in the National Steering Committee who are here, to observe that members of the public need to be informed that for those who are in Nairobi who would like to visit with the family, this will have to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday at President Kibaki's Nyari office. We are going to provide the details and the map to the office, and this is where any of those, especially members of the diplomatic corps and any senior members of the public who may wish to visit the family or to convey their condolences in person to the family, they would go to the Nyari office.
Omongino ya omomotakanwa kurwa sense meri ya Maski West ni gobonale no mogoko nekrumwe uyo kuriekero kwe musie kurwa seka enseme yo kwesoke na kumwagajira enyomba. Omongino yo oyubo igo oromotakanwa na bana bae banyarire bagosira nigo konyora menyeta sabe kurendo mo swati uyo kuriekero kwe bugumen kigoro kwe musie asegodi yo nigesokire na kujaka kumwagajira enyomba asebono mo swati yicheni marube anyarire ga koboli abarai pons kurwa sorongo rwagusi kobakonya abataka na wale wate mechando imeyorongo rwagusi
morango rukunyambo likoro kuno yo makende bandi nje mukama genda
kwara jandikire myake ngane naki
jandikire myaka matukaza limoke
mongino ra jandikire myake menge nyamboli mora muga koje gasirete na bana bae bagasira bonse
bana balenga
abana sita igo bono umwana oyo rega oyo etwa moretare tembera
wano mongino ina nyorete nero yuiga na bana bagachaka kongo mugano muna bana bae bamusirete nandi mnata batikende nandi ngachikumuliri nganyoranga igale special need wane special mune chiga okoranga bantu bange bali kwancha kubwatiriri wano karati amorosiri plan egere nyumbe yamenye tutelingiya arufu yokere imenchi na bamenyete ime na bera alete no muchandu wa marwiri ona kina chinga tigamwe nere nsemo ye nyumba neri yegendete kwa gachuani fundi noere egera mbekire nyumba aso asinyumbiri uja nere muna bantu bandi abana rusabanga bali mu bwata ogokonya kamoranche konya tari asinge nje yakende na saba seni ekora tanga mbwate chinguru konya batani chinguru kona bana ko ngambia mono ekenyoreke fundi erega iga gendregas konya mungino yere bwango egera aso mbuli go tukabira gate nyumba iri agule biamana bamtasogo totale nande biamana so wancha go tubwata nabeka sembe nande kwanda abantu baito bancha konya abantu
ayuna na korende ya Chinsa Ikomi korende nyona chikoraga gekoraga inse ya moya bono maragoba gusibona botuko ni chigo koretera mbange tomanyanga kya matemo asoka ngakia abantu bandate ko chenga igoro ya matiyo ya matemo gusama chibu ya matemo ya sokurit ko lya lero boigo to chikurire ringa ki aba Kenya bandate ko tomama gombabo igoro yoko sira gomora yokata to gwensi tu ya Kenya Emilio Mike Boki ayuna mange ni gukanyora chikoraga inse ya moya bono maragoba ingote na gendera kurigeria Ndizi TV nero bwansumugusi aseka getari tambe kurubono ni gochikonyora na ndemo Steven muri kitu captain 001 asomoro rwichi gosona bagasolia iria komanyi na rali kuru asebiti igotwaro buririo buya bona botambere tari ane Brighton Makoli oyorenga somondu wemanyerio ni gakorokwa Joshua uta twara buririo buya.
Giriria bwe television ya Ndizi TV nigo togo gwakira mbia muno asuko gendera guturigiria butambe bono TV ya unambeyemo yumuno bweke gusiye nige gokuburia kujiakire kura asichia awards cha Communication Authority kuza awards umwaka w'ikirwibere